Did you know that fear could be the #1 reason why you're not manifesting miracles into your life? This could be your limiting emotion that is keeping you from the greatness that not only you deserve, but the universe wants you to have. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 steps plus a bonus on how to abolish fear completely out of your body, completely out of your mind, so you can allow greatness into your life, which is exactly what we do at this channel. And I want you to join the Valentine family by subscribing down below and hitting that bell notification. Also, hitting that like on this video really helps me out a lot. I'm really enjoying all the comments, guys. I really appreciate it. And I know this channel is going to explode, and it's all thanks to you. I really appreciate it. And if you watch these videos, I know you'll manifest greatness. So that's what we're talking about today. Another step towards letting miracles into your life, because you can't have miracles come into your life if you're fearful and coming at a place of lack. So let's get into step 1, and that is realizing that fear is normal. You're going to feel fear, you're going to feel doubt, and you're going to feel anxiety. If anyone tells you that, is telling you never to feel those feelings, or you're never going to feel them, they're lying. You're going to feel these things. Everyone feels them. If someone tells you they're not feeling them, someone doing a seminar or something, they're lying to you. You will feel fear. I feel fear. I feel anxiety. I feel doubt in myself. I was doing this YouTube a year ago, and I was getting no subscribers, and I doubted myself, and I quit. I didn't upload any more videos for like 6 months. It was insane. And I had to get over it using these steps. So I had to realize that fear is normal and that it's going to happen. You're going to doubt yourself, but it's important to let that out. Feel it, but don't let it consume you. But don't repress it. So you need to feel it, okay? And I want you to figure out, where is this fear coming from? My fear was, an imposter syndrome. Who am I to tell these people about the law of attraction? Sure, you've been studying it for nearly 20 years, but that doesn't matter. They have Bob Proctor. They have Joseph Murphy. They have Rhonda Byrne. What can you bring to the table? Those are my fears. Those were my fears. But then I realized, Kai, you are a funny guy, and you're down to earth, and you're very transparent with your life. I think people can really relate to that. In fact, it's something I wish that I had while learning about the law of attraction. So you have to realize where this fear is coming from, and the big thing is take small steps towards fixing it. You don't have to take big steps, take smaller steps, okay? Little bite-sized things. You eat out an You eat an elephant a bite at a time. Oh God, eat out an elephant. You eat an elephant a bite at a time. Okay, so that is my signal to move on to step 2, which is realize that God is our divine navigator. That's right, all amazing things come to us through God, through the universe, whatever. You can't get wet by the word water. God is our divine navigator. The universe is infinitely intelligent. It's not going to leave you behind. It's not going to let you fall through the fingers of miracles, of miracle manifestation, just because you've had a little bit of fear, you've had some doubt, you've had some anxiety. And I'm not belittling what you're feeling. I'm just saying that God is smart. He's not going to leave you behind. Not only that, but once you get over this fear and you're back onto the law of attraction activation, once you're back to activating the law of attraction, you'll pick up right where you left off. There's no stepping backwards unless you just continuously feel this way forever and you're just down on yourself and saying negative affirmations. Yes, you can take a step backwards then, but just a day or two of fearful thoughts and anxiety, which is normal, is okay. You can pick up where you last left off, and God will continue to open doors for you. That's why the saying is, once a door closes, another one opens. So yes, you're closing doors during that time. You're closing doors to manifesting miracles, but you can reopen them because God is our divine navigator. And once we get back to activating the law of attraction, she will navigate us back to greatness. And the third thing I want you to do is realize you need to let go of the outcome, people. If you're trying to manifest a win from the lottery, if you're trying to manifest a new car, if you're trying to manifest a soulmate, you have to let go of the outcome, okay? Let me give you an example. Let's say you're fearful that you'll be lonely for the rest of your life, okay? And you're going to clubs and bars because you really want to meet that girl. Well, if you're coming at it from an outcome, whether it be sex or love, whatever, you are going to sound and be and act totally creepy, okay? You're going to give off vibes of neediness, and you're going to push away those hot babes, those big wang dudes, whatever you want. You're going to push it away, okay? And you have to realize that once we lean on something, we push it away. I bet you right now you can get rid of most of your fear and anxiety by realizing that you let go of the outcome. You no longer have an outcome. You're excited and happy about the now. You're grateful for everything that you have in your life now. Release the outcome. Wow. All that weight's off my shoulders, Kai. Wow. It's a great feeling not having any outcome, but realizing that God is going to bring you these amazing things just by you feeling good. So let go of the outcome. And always repeat this down below. I attract my desire, this or something better. And replace desire with what you want. I'm so happy and grateful now that I have blank, this or something better. And when we put this or something better at the end of our affirmation, we're letting go of the outcome and allowing even better things to come into our life. So number one is realize that fear is normal. Feel it, don't repress it, figure out what it is and take smaller steps to fix it. Number two is realize God is our divine navigator. You're not alone. You're not alone. You're not alone. These are not the fears I know. Okay, anyway. And you let go of the outcome, which is step three. You're letting go of the outcome of your desire, realizing that, again, God is our divine navigator and will bring you greatness and something better than what you're manifesting now. So let go of the outcome and say this. Remember, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have blank, this or something better. Now, the bonus tip that I promised you is the 8 breath, second breath step technique. Breathe in. Hold. The important part here is to breathe in a deep breath. Hold it for 2 seconds, whatever. You can hold it for longer. I hold it for longer sometimes depending on how I'm feeling, but breathe out for exactly 8 seconds. This is the 8-second technique. Breathe in, hold, let it out for 8 seconds. It's very important. 8 seconds. And if you don't pass out though and come sue me, please. So remember to breathe after that. So breathe in, hold it, breathe out for 8 seconds. Guys, that is it for this video. I really want you to join the Valentine family because I know if you watch these videos, you will manifest greatness. Plus, I want amazing people in the community because if you join, you will learn how to manifest miracles into your life. This is all to your benefit. I'm super excited about you joining the Valentine family by subscribing down below and hitting that bell notification to be notified of more videos like this. Liking this video helps me out a lot, and as well as commenting. And if you want to share with a friend or family member who you believe is experiencing fear, go right ahead. It helps me out. It'll help them out. We're circulating good energy in the world, okay? So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you have a great day. I really want you to join the Kai Valentine. I really want you to join the